Alright, let's dive right in. We all know the pain. You want to use WhatsApp web, but you're stuck looking for your phone, fumbling with the QR code scanner. But what if I told you, you might not always have to? It's time to explore some potential loopholes and alternative login methods. First, let's address the elephant in the room. The official WhatsApp web process requires the QR code as the primary login method. It's designed that way for security and to link your phone seamlessly. Therefore, there isn't any default alternative in the official WhatsApp web method, so trying to find an alternative is like trying to navigate a maze inside of a maze. Now, let's venture into the realm of potential workarounds. Be extremely careful here. There might be some browser extensions that claim to offer login bypasses. Some will say to sync your phone via Bluetooth or a specific code. However, I highly recommend you stay away from such extensions from untrusted sources. It's important to be aware of security risks. These extensions could potentially compromise your WhatsApp data. Use these tools with extreme caution. Always research the developers and reviews thoroughly before installation. Before you decide to go with a third-party workaround, let's look at some quick troubleshooting tips. Does your phone have a stable internet connection? Is WhatsApp updated on your phone? Have you refreshed the WhatsApp web page? Simple checks like these can sometimes solve the problem and avoid the need for alternative measures. It's surprising how often a quick refresh or reboot can work wonders, and you will save yourself any frustration of getting locked out. Ultimately, while the official WhatsApp web method relies on the QR code, it is essential to respect WhatsApp's security and your own privacy. So, if you decide to use alternative methods to access WhatsApp web without a QR code, follow your own discretion, and that's it. Hopefully, these tips and insights will help you navigate the WhatsApp web login process with a little more ease. Remember to prioritize the safety of your data and enjoy your chats. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tech tips.